Okay, it's officially cold outside. Never gets above non-frost anymore right now. So I am doing my window box lettuce, which you can see I got a big long planter here. And in the bottom of it, I have rocks to help with drainage because there are no holes in it, but I need the water to be able to get off of it some. So put rocks in there to help with the drainage. I'm going to fill it up with soil, which is just some potting soil here. It's actually made for containers, ideal for flowers, vegetables, and herbs. So anyhow, I'm going to fill this up, then we're going to get the seeds in there, get it started, then put it in the windowsill. Alright, so it says for container gardening, which, you know what, I don't care, I put it in everything. Anyhow, this is how much soil I had left in that bag, which was almost perfect. So now I'm just kind of going to scrape it all away a little bit. That way I've got on both edges of it. That way I can cover, do the little pad up thing there with it. So anyhow, get this ready and then we'll get the seeds on. Okay, so this is a window box mix. So you can see it's different varieties of lettuce mixed in that, and it is also non-GMO. So I can save these seeds out of this to put back to grow again this gardening season in the spring and summer, because guess what? It will bolt. I will get seeds. And look, and it says it's a container variety, so sweet. Let's get it spread out. You can see in there that it's, well, maybe you can. You could a minute ago. It's different colors, the seeds and stuff. So it's different kinds for the mix. Okay, so there you can see all the seeds. I'm just literally going to give it like a little sprinkly shake here. And then, let me see here. There we go, do that. And then take the dirt that I pushed up to the sides there, slightly cover it over, give it a little tap, tap, pat, pat, whatever. There we go. And then mist it down. Okay, so then anyhow, give it wet here. And then it'll go right into the windowsill. And then we'll see, let me see how many days till germination, hold on. Okay, 7 to 10 days to germinate, 1/4 inch deep, broadcast it, 30 days to start harvesting it. So the first part of January, I should have decent sized lettuce up in there, but in about a week, I'll have little seedlings popping out. So awesome! Okay, and now we're in the windowsill. So natural light. It's humid in here. We got the fireplace going and all that there good stuff. So now we just hurry up and wait a week.